Good morning, friends. Coach Sarah here with Rehope Health. Thank you for your patience this morning. Had a few life things happen. You can see I got a little helper with me today. This is real life, and sometimes stuff happens. So, if you are watching from YouTube, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And this might be an interesting live. This is just gonna be how it has to be today. So, my daughter is not feeling well. I have one daughter in Arizona. As some of you guys know, my mother-in-law passed away, so I'm gonna be traveling to Arizona for the funeral soon. And my other daughter isn't feeling good right now, and she was helping me with this little lady. Uh-oh, are you gonna climb out? Because then I'm gonna have to put you down. Are you? Do you wanna say hi to our friends? You're making me nervous. I've been trying to go live, but I don't know if I told you guys, our fridge had broke, and then it got fixed, we thought, and then it broke again. So the fridge guy showed up right when I was going live early. So it's just been crazy. It's crazy, but I am excited to show you guys the singing Canary Truffles today, hopefully. You wanna say hi? Are you gonna be my helper? You gonna be my helper? Say hi. So today is Araya's birthday, and she's got a stomach ache. So will you guys say a prayer for her? Will you do hashtag happy birthday and just send Araya some birthday hearts and love and all the things, because she would love it. I know she would love it. And thank you guys. I just wanted to say thank you guys for your warm, heartfelt sympathies. They are just a precious treasure to me, so thank you so much. Okay, well, let's get started. We'll see how long this lasts with little lady here. Okay, singing Canary Truffles, you guys. They are on page 418 of Trim Healthy Table. Okay, I feel like she's gonna fall out. She's making me super nervous. Do you want to get down and help me? Okay. We're gonna still go with this, you guys. I don't know. You guys have one of these? They're amazing. You guys all need one. Okay, hold on. Do you want to go get a ladder? You can be my helper. Do you want to be my helper? Okay. Hello. Okay. There's a lot of things going on here, you guys. This is really, really real life. Okay. She's good. Now I shut my book. I know what page though, because I just told you guys, 418. Here it is, 418. And I want to see your guys' comments. So I'm going to just jump on here really quick and see what's going on. Now, maybe, gotta refresh this. Have you guys made these before? Have you made the singing Canary Truffles? Awesome, I think I can see it. Aw, thank you guys for wishing her a happy birthday. You will bless her socks off today. My dog is cute. He has his moments. He is cute, he's cute. Okay, you guys, these are so easy. They're so easy. I looked at it though, and I was intimidated. So if you're ever like, do you get intimidated at recipes? Yes, I do. And so I just want you guys to know this one intimidated me, but then when I did it, it was so easy. I'm like, I've got to show you guys how to make this, especially as we head into cold and flu season. This is a great way to pack a punch with baobab and all the immune boosting things that we have to boost our immune system. So now what you're gonna wanna do is, you have to do this in steps, but it's super easy, okay? Don't get overwhelmed. I took out, I have my water in here. This is cold water, because with gelatin, when you use it, you have to bloom it. So we're gonna put it in cold water, and then we're gonna add our hot water to it, and then it's gonna dissolve. So this is the important step. And then it gets even easier after this. So I put some water. When you look at the measurements, put your water into a, just something you can heat it up in, and we're gonna throw this in the microwave and warm it up. So I'm gonna do that. And then while that is warming up, we're just going to take our cold water and we're gonna take our gelatin and we're gonna measure that out. Okay, so I'm gonna put this, you know what? I'm gonna grab a fork, actually. I'll grab a fork, because I want that. I like to time this just right. Okay, so we're gonna put that in the holder. And we're gonna put this in the cold water. Now, can you guys see this? We're gonna mix this together until it becomes a globular. Literally a globular, you guys. Okay. You see that? It's like chunky. This is fine. If you see this, you're good. Then we're going to take our hot water. Perfect. It should be boiling. We're gonna take our boiling water. Can you guys see that steaming? And we're gonna put it right on top of this. Now, here's the secret. Secrets of success. Don't just let it sit like this. Like, make sure you mix this in and completely melt this. Now, I want to tell you guys, if you're using the Epicure Petite pan, which I'm going to show you when we finish here, double the recipe because it is going to fit into your mini Petite pan perfectly. A doubled recipe. So, okay. Da-da-da. That's it. See, it's completely dissolved. Now, we are going to whip and nay-nay it into our, oh, I lost my blender, y'all. About lost my blender. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the blender. And we're gonna just blend this for a couple seconds. That's also gonna help cool it off really quick. We're like displacing the heat. So it talks about in here not putting, like letting it cool off for a minute. So just let it cool off for a minute. And the reason being is if you put your coconut oil in right away and it's hot, it can kill off the healthy antibiotics that are in the coconut oil because this is an antibacterial. And so another, way to boost your health is coconut oil. This is the one from Trader Joe's. I usually use the one from Costco, but I couldn't find it. Apparently a giant tub of coconut oil went missing. I do not know how that happens. Please tell me that happens to you guys. I mean, that thing's big. It's gone. It's missing. Go. So, okay, I'm gonna check this. Still a little bit warm. I'm gonna blend it just for a second longer to cool it off a little bit. Okay. Now, we are going to start adding everything down the list. So we are going to do our coconut oil. And are you coming to say hi? You gonna say hi? Okay. So we got our coconut oil. Add that. Let's see, I think we need just a little bit more. You guys, if you're confident in your measurements, like I know this is a tablespoon, so I can just put in the extra couple tablespoons, no problem. If you're a little bit scared, then just measure it exactly. Okay, oh, let's not play with the dog right now, okay? You wanna come say hi? Come say hi. All right, what are we gonna put in next? Let's see. Now we're gonna put, oh, this is optional. You don't have to use this, but if you have some, there is health benefits for using sunflower lecithin, especially if you're breastfeeding. So I'm just gonna put in a couple, very tiny amount. It's so small, you guys. If you don't have it, it's really not a big deal. It's such a tiny amount. So I'm gonna put that in. Then we are going to add, what are we adding? Vanilla. Okay, so here's some vanilla. I'm gonna add that here. I gotta set you down for 1 second while I measure this one. Then you can come back up. Sound good? Okay. And this is probably how you guys cook too, I'm guessing. Somebody under your feet. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, now we're going to add our baobab. So we're gonna add some baobab. This, you add a lot. So these really do pack a punch for boosting your immune system. If you guys have the scoop from Trim Healthy Mama, it's 1/4 cup. So you can actually just use the scoop if you want to do that. But these bags are a little bit small, so sometimes it's hard to fit that scoop in there. So if you want to measure it out, you could do that too. Okay, now we're going to add turmeric. And honestly, I know in the Singing Canary, it gives you like options to kind of scale back, but you really don't need to on this. You're really not gonna taste it, so go ahead and do the full amount. And then we're going to add some Himalayan salt. There we go. Then we're gonna add juice of a lemon. Okay, you guys, juice of 1 lemon. You can always ask Google. Hey Google, how many tablespoons is in the juice of 1 lemon? I hope you guys can hear this.
Here's what I understood.
Oh, you probably can't hear it.
Farmflavor.com. That equals about 4 to 5 tablespoons.
4 to 5 tablespoons. Could you hear Google? So don't be afraid to ask Google. Google can help you. So I already pre-measured it. So I'm gonna put my lemon juice in. And this is the one I use. I know you guys like to see. This is the one I get from Costco, and it's imported from Italy. It's so good. You guys should get some of this. And it's really inexpensive. You get 2 of those. So, and I want to say for $10, it's good. And especially us trim healthy mamas go through so much lemon juice. Totally worth it. Okay, then we're going to do, I recommend the gentle sweet, especially if you're coming off sugar, especially if you're going to feed it to your kids. They taste more like candy if you use the gentle sweet. So I'm doing the full amount. When you read the recipe, do the full amount of gentle sweet. And let's see. I think that's it. Okay, now we're gonna blend this. These are good. Look how pretty it is. Can you guys see this? So pretty. Okay, you drink a Singing Canary every day, Mallory, but you've never made the truffles. Today's your day, Mallory. You can make the truffles. Okay, so now we are going to, I'm just gonna scrape the sides, and then I'm gonna blend one more time really quick, and I'm gonna show you. It looks almost like icing. It looks like icing. It's really good. Okay. All right, that's it. So easy. Can you guys see this? Okay, perfect. Now, we are going to take this. Slide this stuff out of the way so I can bring my goodies over here. I have the finished product for you guys to show too. Okay, you guys can see. I made some just this morning. I wanted to show you how easy these were to come out, but this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take this, and I'll show you. I'm gonna pop some of these out so you guys can see, but we're just gonna take this and we're gonna put them in each mold, and it really fills about half of this mini petite pan. But the reason, you guys, that I love this pan is because they pop out so easy. So, let me grab some. And I got some for you guys right here. Okay. Here's the thing, you're gonna put them when you're done in the freezer. So then when you go to pop them out, you can just boop. Can you guys see how easy this is? I'm just popping these out and they come out in whatever shape you put them in. So then you can just pop all of them out and they're ready to go. Like that. So I wanna show you really quick how you put them in and then what you can do with them. Oh, I forgot my spoon. The biggest spoon I have. Guess I'm using a baby spoon. That's okay. So, can you guys see this consistency? If you did that, you did it right. Now, I did try pouring it in. It sort of made a mess. So I just say grab a spoon and do this because then you can fill them up. Fill up each one. And I did each one a little bit, like about half full. And that was to get the size that you're seeing. You can always make them bigger. You get to decide what size you want them to be. So then you'll just go through and fill them all like this. And then once you're done filling it, then you're gonna just throw this in the freezer. And it doesn't take very long. If you have, my freezer is at 0. And so it only takes like 10 minutes to freeze. And then you'll be able to pop them out. Don't eat them frozen though. They're not good frozen. They're not good. So let them thaw until they're like that truffle consistency. And so if you let them sit out, then they'll be perfect. So this is the ones I made. Oh, look, here's one bit on. Can you guys see that? But they're really good. Now, I want to show you guys. I'm not sure what you would expect. They're not like the 2-minute truffles. They're very different. So I want to just give you like a full disclaimer that they're a little bit unique. So when you go into it, have that mindset of this might be a little different and that's okay. This is gonna like pack a punch of health for me, and that's why I'm having it. It's got so much vitamin C. It's got antibacterial, you know, from the coconut oil, and so this is just gonna be so good for you. You can throw these in the freezer. I almost lost my bag. You can throw these in the freezer. You can throw them in the fridge and just grab a couple. They are an S, a Trim Healthy Mama S, because of all the coconut oil. So maybe pop one after an S meal, just have one after an S meal. So anyways, I hope you guys try these because they're super simple. Also, I want you to know that not all of my kids liked them. So I'm just gonna be up front. My little guy, Tatum, he wanted to try these and he was all about them and he didn't like them. He was like, they weren't for him, but Araya loves them. So just give them a try and then, you know, let your kids try one and see what they think too. But just know that not everybody is going to like them. Okay, you guys have any questions? What cookbook? This is in Trim Healthy Table. This is in Trim Healthy Table, and it is on page 418. Oh, also, if you guys signed up for the summit, I just want to let you guys know to check your email, check your spam folder. If you did not get an email from the bestyousummit.com, you should have all got a receipt with a link to the group. So I just want to let you guys know that if you're watching this, to go check for that email. It's coming from account at thebestyoussummit.com. So, and if you haven't signed up yet, there's still time to sign up. So be sure to check out. I'll put the link in the description. You guys can check out the summit. It doesn't start until the end of the month on the 25th. So I hope to see you guys there. And let's see. Did you pre-prep any of the ingredients? I did not. I literally just got everything out here, and it really doesn't take long. So once you get them all done, the nice thing is if you double the recipe in your petite pan, you're gonna have, especially if it's just for you, you're gonna have these for quite a while, for however long, you know, I don't know how many you would eat a day. If you ate 1 or 2 of these after a meal every day, it would still last you like a couple weeks. So something nice to know. You could hear Google. Oh, cool. Okay, could you have one with an FP? Oh, that's a good question. I would say yes. I don't think it would be a big deal if you had one. I mean, obviously I would go for a skinnier one than one of the gigantic ones, but I don't think that would be a problem. Okay, let's see. Especially if you didn't have a fat already chosen in your meal, then it would be perfect. Okay. That is all I can see. If you guys have any other questions, let me know, and I will be sure to comment on them later. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next week. I don't know what we're making next week, so let me know if you have something you want me to show you. I'm really excited that I got to show you guys these. Now go get some immune boosting help and make the truffles. Don't forget to tag me, Araya Hope Health, if you guys make them. I love seeing what you guys make too. And let me know what you think. I am so excited for you guys to try these. All right, guys, have a great day. And if you are on YouTube, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.